Have you ever thought the floorboards on your Harley Davidson are rather boring? So have I. So I've been looking at getting new floorboards since I got the bike. And everywhere I look, I find the rider floorboards, they can be anywhere up to $400, even more. And then they include the passenger as well. That's even more of an expense. But here at Barricade Rides, we try to do everything on a budget. So I try to keep the parts as budget friendly as possible. So I ordered 2 sets of floorboards, passenger and rider. They are Goldfire. I got them on Amazon. Link will be in the description. But before we get into this, make sure you head over to the merch store and get yourself your own personal Barricade Rides merchandise. Got clothing, neck gaiters, all kinds of stuff. So head over, check it out. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Alright, let's get into this. So I'm going to open up the passenger first because there's no prep work. So we got these. So here's the passenger peg. These things are pretty wicked. So if you don't already know, I used to ride BMX in my younger years. I still ride occasionally. So I kind of like the BMX style. So that's why I kind of went with these. So very clean looking, clean lines, and the price was right. So if you're interested in these, check out the link in the description. So I already looked at these ones. There's no prep work, but the floorboards for the rider, there is some prep work. So these are the floorboards. They kind of look pretty big. I haven't compared them to my current ones yet. So these things are pretty loose. So I am gonna prep these up with some Loctite real quick, and then we'll head out to the bike and install them. For this part, all you need is a 3/16 Allen and some Loctite. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. Add a little bit of Loctite to each one. So this one's already, I just finished this one up. So I'm gonna go through and get the other ones, and then we'll install them on the bike. All right, we're gonna start by removing the driver floorboards. So the tools I need for this is 11mm and a 3/16. And then, of course, put them away where I can reach them. Now that's removed. I'm going to install the new ones.
Take a look before so they can see.
So we got one here, one there to remove.
Yeah, this slips right back in. Tighten this up. Get some sockets with some Allen heads. It's in. Alright, so on there, nice. I'm just going to tighten up a few things, and then this is good, and then we'll get the other side. Alright, now we're going to prep the passenger floorboards. So I had to get a mount for them. So it's going to go like that, and it's going to be stowed in that position. So let's get this set up, and then we'll install them on the bike. Alright, first I'm going to sandwich the spacers around there. Get it in there. I'm going to take a screwdriver and get it all aligned with the pin. Slide the pin in. Then I'm going to take my pliers and install the slip ring. So just like that. Now let's go install them on the bike.
Alright, we're going to install the passenger floorboards now. So this is in there. This is really tight. So I'm using Batsy's old handlebars. So it's got this little nipple thing sticking out. The way the old one is, this one went in the hole right here. This won't fit in straight with it in the hole. It'll be crooked like that. So I'm putting it to the side so that way it can stay straight. Also, I'm gonna add some Loctite. Nice and tight in there. I'm going to use the bars to torque it. Alright. There you go. Floorboards completely installed. This was an easy install. Remember, I'm not a mechanic. If I can do it, so can you.
Alright, update on this. How I said the little nipple didn't fit in there, so I put it on there, and I learned that right here the pedals of the floorboard's adjustable. So it just comes down like that, then comes up, and so you're able to shift these like that, up and down. So you just loosen this up right here and you can adjust it however you need. So super easy. It just took me a little bit of playing with it. So the next thing I need to do is figure out how to get them to come up and stay, because boom. So I'll be playing with that in the near future, and yep.
And always, brothers and sisters, stay safe and ride your ride.